Alright guys, just got a quick wee video here for you. I've just came out the shower, that's on my hair and I'm in my jammies and shit. But yeah, just gonna do a quick little video. This is my basic survival kit. What I'll either have in my webbing or in my smock jacket for most of yous. I've just got a couple of pairs of combat today. But anyway, let's get on to it. I have got 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 hanks, well 3 proper hanks and just one bit there. That's all paracord. I think I've got 40 metres there, and I've got some more lying a bit room somewhere. Right, okay, so next I've got no, I'll use that for later. We've got the torches, you know, got a little torch, no, it's only a wee one. Pretty good for signalling as well. You just keep it on. We've also got this one, which is a right kind of one. You know, it's good because you just pump it up. So yeah, pretty cool. It's got a wee lanyard on it there as well. It's got 3 LEDs in it. That one's only got 1, but this one's still my best, I would say. I've got my SS survival guide. It's only a tiny one. Look, into my hand. It's smaller than my hand. Got some tuna. Just in case I get hungry. Got some super noodles. Couple vegetable cup of sips. This is porridge oats in here, so just porridge. Took all the coffee and I've put porridge in. So yeah, it's just porridge, and that'll probably do a good couple of bowls. Maybe. This is instant tea, you get 50 cups in it. Which I've made there. But I've just made my own things. I've got like sugar, so it's all made up, basically. Just enough when I want it. Just pops on like that. It's got hot chocolate, coffee, tea, sugar, everything, instant milk and everything, so I can just literally just drink it like that. Moving on to fire lighting. This is what I've got here. This is my fire lighting kit. Got more stuff in my rucksack, which is in here. Oh, a camouflage rucksack anyway. Starting off, my thing. Right. Got. Oh god, I'm in a sticky situation now. Like, where am I going to put yous? You know what? Here's a shoe. You can go inside the shoe. Right. I'm not too sure if you can see me there, can you? Yep. Cool. This is literally just your normal flint striker. On that, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 of them, which is lighters, and then I have 2 of these and that. Now, as you haven't seen it, get this bit, yeah, bit there, and get this whole thing. Yeah, it looks like a knuckle duster. Can use it as the same thing, kinda. Get it like that in your fist. In fact, you can also just do that. Put that, and then you can. Then you kind of know what to do with that. It's just the old way of flint strikers. Now bring it back here, go to cotton wool, and in here I have cotton wool soaked with this. Now this is the good stuff, the natural stuff. This you know, it's just basically like Vaseline when you've got it on that. Oh, it's amazing. I'll do a video on that. I've also got a original symbol. Yeah. Jam my fingers in it now. Don't want to share. Well, no. This is healing and drawing ointment to soothe and protect the skin, which is just smells amazing. It's kind of like a soothing thing to soothe the pain. So if you've got like a bruise or something and it really hurts, this just a small one. Go and open it up. This is all you need to share in your basic one. There we go. Probably one handy. Now got one of these bandages, which is the long bandage what you can put your arm through. I have some tape. Now scissors. Antiseptic wipe. Plasters, small. Medium plasters. More medium plasters. A needle. Now, this is really cool, this. It's for stitches. So see, finger there. There, and it'll go through like that. And then it would come out like that again. And I could just bring it like that. With my finger. And do that and that again. Then I could go in it. And then that's how you do that, stitches. But if you can't be bothered doing stitches, get some super glue. Works amazing. I've got quite a lot of it in there. Get a cut, just throw that on it. Got dressing, another dressing. Now, if you can't be bothered doing any of that, I'm sure I've got it in here. Sorry if I don't, guys. Just checking for something in my drawer. There's Jack Daniels cards everywhere. I haven't got any more than Right, it's not in that one. Sorry, doing this all on hand, guys. I've got butterfly stitches anyway. I'll do another video on them. Right. Okay, so moving on that to the side. We have a mess kit now. What have we got in here? I've not checked in a while. So, I'll stick flavor there. Oh, yes. Is it just a lid? No. I've got another couple of vegetable cup zips. This is the main thing. Like that. Put off the fire, and if you're watching this and you don't know what that's for, there's no point in you watching this video. I have just got a plain teaspoon. I have pepper, and salt, lots of salt. Got any more pepper? I've only got one pepper. Whoops! Should have more. I've got oxo cube, oxo cube, oxo cube, a couple of the oxo cubes there. So that's just kind of little things. And all of these are mints. Oh. Must have just fallen out the packet. Oh. What? So, this is my kit, guys. Comment and subscribe.